All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So obviously I have another tablet in here, and this is an exclusive tablet for Verizon right now. It's the Tab, TCL Tab, and it has an 8-inch display. Now on this side of the device here, it has the specs. 8-inch Full HD display, 2 GHz octa-core processor, 8 megapixel rear, 5 megapixel front, 32 gigs of ROM, 3 gigs of RAM, fast charging on that 5500 milliamp hour battery, and a fingerprint reader. Now, I've already popped this open. This is a LTE device. So just so you know, if you're looking for an LTE device, I actually have several LTE tablets, believe it or not. But this one is for Verizon, and this is from TCL. So they've teamed up with Verizon to bring you this LTE tablet. So you get a SIM ejection tool, wall charger, Type C, obviously. Now I have ZTE's latest unlocked tablet, and you're probably thinking, Jay, where's the tablet? Well, I've been using it. I wanted to go ahead and use it. So here's your SIM ejection tool, and then this is the literature that comes in here, and you got a charging cable and a Type C cable. Now, as I was going to say, the difference between this device and the one from ZTE is this one has Type C charging, and it has a fingerprint reader in the power button. I think that was pretty cool. Get this screen cleared off here. So this has a fingerprint reader in the power button. So I think that's pretty cool, and it's a fairly fast fingerprint reader too. I think it's pretty hot. So let's get this removed. Now here is how it came. Now it came with some bloatware. It came with LinkedIn, and it came with one more app on here. But other than that, it was actually pretty good. Not too much bloatware. And I haven't installed anything yet. I've just been watching YouTube on it so far. And again, it is LTE. So you can see there, LTE right at the top right there. I haven't activated it yet, but nothing really on this thing. It's a stock Android device overall, and it's just that it's locked to Verizon. So it's got a SIM card pre-installed, and I want to go into the network here, or not the network. I want to go into the storage and show you. Most of the storage was used up just by the system. Look at this, half of the storage is gone, and I haven't even put any of my things on it yet. Now granted, it probably won't take much from the apps that I use, but you also can extend this to through this slot right here to another 256 gigs. Now this is a nice the camera app, if you're wondering, it's kind of that generic camera app. You know, it's super basic. So I'm going to take a picture here, but I mean, it does pretty good. Overall, it's got a fast shutter, and I waited to take the photos, but you know, this is the type of quality that you could possibly get. I mean, you're not buying this. People really don't. I don't think people buy tablets for you know, cameras, but you do have a camera basically if you need one, and that's ultimately what it is. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you that I had this. I've been using it, like I said, I started using it earlier today, and again, not much bloatware. It's just that you've got this is Verizon, so I'm saying not much bloatware other than the Verizon stuff, but I'm curious to see which processor in here. This is running Android 10, by the way. So on this side you have that volume rocker with the power button, doubles as a fingerprint reader. The back of this device is so nice. Bars. You've got this. Okay, this feels like how can I explain it? Let me see. It feels like the Pixel 5 mixed with the OnePlus One. So it's kind of like a sandstone meets this soft touch matte right here. I'm talking about beast mode. It feels fantastic, folks. This feels really, really good. And so you got a little bit of raised camera right there with an LED, headphone jack on the top there, and you got the speaker grill down there with Type C and everything, and obviously that ejection tool over there will open that up to get your SD card in there. But other than that, man, this device seems kind of speedy. It seems like it's gonna be okay. This is an LTE device, and Verizon's network is blazing fast on LTE. So if you're looking at this, that's probably what you want. You want a compact LTE device, and this is what you'll get. It's really cool. So you got this Verizon brand on the bottom, unfortunately, but you got the nice TLC creep. So TCL logo down there, but you just have to marvel at this software. I mean, this hardware, real quick. I like a good piece of hardware, and this is pretty nice. It's lightweight. It's not too thick. It's fairly thin, and yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. So maybe I'll give you a follow-up on this thing. I'm not really sure yet what I'm going to do, but I've got more TCL stuff coming. So this is the Tab, TCL Tab, and it is an 8-inch device. I'll really definitely give you a follow-up on this battery, because I want to see how long this battery can last on a single charge. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.